This week we've been talking about shapes. So on Monday we talked about a circle. Yesterday we talked about triangles. And today we're going to talk about a square. So I have my magnet of my square. We have a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 sides and has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Remember, all the sides on a square have to be the same. They have to be the same to make it a square. If they're not the same, it ends up being a rectangle. We want it to be a square today. So I'm going to move this paper so we can do our square page together. So with whatever you have at home, we're going to practice tracing and making squares. So I'm starting at the black dot. I'm following the dotted lines to help me make a square. Following the dotted lines to make a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. This is a square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Remember, if you need to pause the video, you can, and then you can hit play when you're ready. When I'm making my squares by myself, I'm going to go across the top. I'm going to go down, the bottom, and up. I'm trying my very best to make each side the same. But it's not going to be perfect. We're just trying our best. So I start at that black dot and I'm just trying my best to make these 4 sides all the same. Good job making your squares. Next, when you're ready, we are going to color the word square. Square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. We're going to color the word square. Color it with whatever you have at home. That will be perfectly okay. Square. When you're finished, I want you to start thinking about what are some things that are in the shape of a square. What are some things that in real life that are in the shape of a square? One of the things I think of is a window. A window in your house, in the classroom, a window. So I'm making a square. I'm drawing some lines like this. That makes me think of a window is in the shape of a square. What are some other things that are in the shape of a square? Oh, I also think about a present. A present could be in the shape of a square. So I'm going to draw a present. Present, and I'll put a bow on top of my present. I'm excited to see what you guys thought of things that are in the shape of a square. I'm doing a window and a present. So when you are finished, you can make sure that you have your uppercase T and your lowercase t. We've got our square page, and then I have your page in there for you to practice writing your name at home. Good job. Keep going.